Deborah McGuire here. Today I want to talk about the Florida effect. It's actually something I came up with to describe the madness that I have gone through in the past 2 years, over 2 years, with the state of Florida. We all know about state attorneys and DAs and prosecutors. Now I want to talk a little bit about their governing factors, which should be the governor of Florida. State attorneys don't seem to have bosses in Florida. They get to do what they want. After the state attorney and the assistant state attorney of Pinellas County gave my husband's .254 drunk driver, who had a bottle of vodka in the car and drove on the sidewalk and fled the scene, they gave him a traffic ticket. Never knew about it because I never heard from them. Had to track him down. Took me about 6 months. So I contacted the governor. Quite a few letters saying, hey, you need to get on this guy and reopen this case. The governor comes back and says, it's not my jurisdiction. The governor's job is to implement state laws. He says, not my jurisdiction. Hey, I handle that. I go to Pam Bondi, the attorney general. She comes back and says, ain't my job. So this is the Florida effect. Nobody seems to know their job, and they don't care that drunks are going around the streets of Florida and killing. They don't care. And all I see is I'm advertising for visitors to come here, right? Yeah, you're not real safe. Orlando's #1 in pedestrian strikes. Clearwater, Florida is #2. Trust me, you're not safe, especially if the governor and the state attorney or the attorney general don't seem to care what the state attorney does, do they? Recently, the House passed a law in Florida, in Tallahassee, telling state attorneys they have to report weekly on prosecutions. So, they're being babysat now? They should be fired, and that governor should care what's going on. Anyway, Deborah McGuire here, www.fairplayfacts.com. Would love to hear from you, especially anybody in Florida who's had a similar situation, and I know there's a lot more cases. Anyway, have a great one. Thank you.